How to fix 0x0000000C maximum weight objects exceeded blue error on Windows. 1. Run a system file scan. Commands include dism.exe /online/cleanup image /restore help smc /scan02. Run a chkdsk scan via chkdskc /f command. 3. Update device drivers. 4. Check for Windows updates. 5. Turn off remote desktop connections. 6. Remove recently installed drivers and software with System Restore. Plan B, using recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 7. Clean install Windows.